going on, everybody? Bilo back here again. Today's video I think is going to be really helpful because I think a lot of people get confused with these steps because there's so many different ways of doing it. There's so many steps. So we're going to try to simplify it. Basically, we're going to learn how to screenshot on Mac. And if you're running different OS versions, the keys might vary a little bit, the options might vary a little bit, but we're going to go over all that right now. So first thing, I'm still running macOS Mojave 10.14, and we're going to get started. I have this article open from the Apple website, and this actually shows you just about all the different options and how-to. So I'll link it in the description below if you guys want to keep it for reference. So let's start from the top here. If you have macOS Mojave or later, there's actually a new screenshot app that gives you a whole bunch of different options. So we're going to start with that by pressing Shift Command 5. It's also available in Spotlight. So let's give that a shot. So on the keyboard, we're going to press Shift Command 5. And as you can see, this brings up a whole bunch of options to choose from, and you can drag and drop and wherever you want. So let's start with the first one. You can capture the entire screen, and once you click that, the outline goes all over the whole screen, and all you have to do is click anywhere on the screen. As you can see, the camera icon appears, or you can click capture. So that will give you a screenshot to your entire screen. And let's just click that just to see. As you can hear, you hear a shutter sound. Screenshot appears here and typically saves to your desktop or documents. You can also change that too. So let's go ahead. As you can see, it's on the desktop right now. So Command Shift 5 again. The second option is to capture a selected window. So what we're going to do is, so selected window in this case would either be the desktop or the bottom dock. Let me click Escape, and we're going to open Finder. Let's go to Applications, and we're going to have this as the window. So now, as you can see, I can select, if I just want to screenshot this window, all I have to do is click, and you have a screenshot of just the Applications folder, which is pretty cool because sometimes you don't want to share everything on your screen, and this allows you to screenshot specific things. Next option, you can capture a selected portion. I use this a lot. So basically what it is, you can scale it to however you want and screenshot certain things. So if you just want to screenshot, for example, the right side of the desktop, you can do that, or just these two items, you can do that. That's pretty cool. Again, you just click capture and it saves that screenshot. Let's go to the next option, is recording the entire screen and recording a selected portion. This is also pretty cool. This is what I use to start my video recording. So I can't click that now because it's going to stop the recording, but basically this will start recording your screen, this option right here. And this one, you can record a selected portion, so a specific spot, similar to taking a screenshot of a selected area. So that's pretty cool. It also comes with some options. So as you can see, it asks you where you want to save your items to, your screenshots. I have it set to desktop, but you can also set it to other locations or some of these other places right here. You can set timers, which I think is pretty cool, and a couple other things right here. So that's pretty cool. So that's that for the screenshot app. Again, you would have to have OS Mojave or later, so OS Mojave, OS Catalina for that. And let's jump to the next section. So a lot of the screenshot methods are going to be similar. As you can see, it has a section for Mojave or later. You don't have to use the screenshot app. You can just press different commands. As you can see here, it has different commands you can press, different options. And then in all macOS versions, it has different commands you can press. So if you're running anything below Mojave or later and you want to capture the entire screen, you just press Shift Command 3 on the keyboard, So Shift Command 3 in all macOS versions will capture the entire screen. Let's scroll down. Same thing for capturing a window. You can click Shift Command 4 and then press the space bar, and this changes your pointer to a camera. As you can see, the pointer changes to a camera, and then you just click the window of where you want to take the screenshot. You can also do selected portions. In all macOS versions, you just press Shift Command 4, and you get this little crosshair thing, and you can simply just drag it to wherever you want. And once you let go, it'll take the screenshot. So if I just want to capture this, it'll take a screenshot. Let's see. You can do capture menus, capture the touch bar. If you have the Mac with a touch bar on there and you're running macOS Sierra 10.12 or later, you press Shift Command 6 to capture what is displayed on the touch bar. I think that's pretty cool because sometimes you have extra options on the touch bar that you don't see on the screen, and you can kind of take screenshots of that, which I think would be helpful sometimes. Just a side note, you can customize the control strip of the touch bar. So if you have you can customize the options on the actual touch bar to show what appears by default. You can use, again, when you get the screenshot, you can click it. You can swipe to the right and the screenshot is automatically saved. You can click it and edit it if you want in preview. So there's a lot of cool things in there. Let's see if there's anything important in here. This is by the screenshot app, which is in the utilities folder. Let's see if we can find that there. Applications. We'll scroll down to utilities, and screenshot. So you can also open it like that. Again, macOS Mojave or later. Let's see, to cancel taking a screenshot, simply just press the escape key. It's pretty straightforward. You can open screenshots with Preview, Safari, or other apps to edit or view images. I know a lot of people do that. When you're taking a screenshot, a lot of people like to edit it and make some changes to it. So that's pretty cool. And then it also has some sublinks to how to record a screen on your Mac and then how to screenshot on the iPhone. I can do a separate video on this later if you guys need. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. We got all our screenshots. We got the different ways of doing it in macOS Mojave or later. And then also the commands if you're running a different version, like a previous version of macOS. So including High Sierra, Sierra, El Capitan, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys find that helpful. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you guys find this helpful in the comments. If you guys want other videos, again, I really appreciate any likes, subscribes, all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.